Lyons Woods is a diverse preserve supporting prairie, savanna, woodland, and fen habitats. 5 state endangered species take refuge here. One is so rare its existence in the nation is threatened. District ecologists and volunteers give special attention to these species while working hard to protect and restore the preserve's many habitats. Over 1,000 native trees and shrubs have been planted here, and several techniques are used to keep non-native species at bay, such as controlled burning and selective clearing. Lyons Woods is a birder's paradise. Many warblers nest here, including the common yellowthroat, the blue-winged warbler, and the ovenbird. Although not native, the evergreen grove near the parking lot often shelters several birds not normally seen this far south during winter, like the long-eared owl. A trailside bird observation deck makes it easy to view a variety of bird species and other wildlife.